This thing doesn't sound healthy. I think this might be dead hard drive number 3. We've also got dead hard drive number 4 here as well. This one was I actually put this one in the Pentium 75 Olivetti for a while, but yeah, well that's the drive's died since, so yeah, but these I'll have to find some creative way of killing. Okay, so I've got the thing outside, I've got it set up with the 240 volt to Molex adapter, and I'm going to be basically giving it 0 to 240 volts on the Variac. So yeah, of course, don't try this at home. The 30 volt experiments, you know, if you're careful enough, you probably could try some of them at home, but anything that involves anything, you know, it's 240 volts, just don't try it, really. It's dangerous, so yeah, just have to aniseed's fairly close to the firing line, so I'm just going to have to get her away from this. I'll probably take her inside or something. Okay, so she's inside. Definitely do feel a bit bad trying to keep her in on a day like this, but well, she's kept in for, you know, 10 minutes while I have fun with this, or she gets injured, so, and I'd rather have the former, so either way. So it's sitting on 0 volts, and I'm going to plug it in. Wow! That was way better than just straight 240 volts. Wow. That was epic. I even threw a piece of something at me. Yeah, hard drive probably wasn't happy with me and tried to throw projectiles at me, but either way, yeah, that was way better than just straight 240 volts. Alright, thanks for watching.